Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to review the comparison between the Pampered Chef Air Fryer and the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. Is Pampered Chef Air Fryer worth buying, or is the far affordable Ninja Foodi all you need for making your favorite fried foods? In fact, if you want to cook foods with the same taste and texture as deep-fried foods without submerging the food in oil, then an air fryer has no alternative. You can prepare your favorite fried foods like meat, fish, pastries, potato chips, and more with the air fryer, and your fried foods will contain a lower content of fat and calories as well. Furthermore, air-fried foods are much healthier than fried foods cooked and submerging in oil. But it's true that you must choose a better quality air fryer to have the best taste and best food value in your fried foods. However, you can find many great models of air fryers in the market right now, and they all are not the same in quality and performance. Comparison between the Pampered Chef Air Fryer vs Ninja Foodi in Number 1. Pampered Chef Deluxe Air Fryer. Features. Capacity, family-sized 11.6 QT capacity, fits up to a 4 pounds whole chicken. Accessories, recovery tools, kitchen sets, rotating basket, drip sleeve, rotisserie, cooking trays, rotisserie. Dishwasher safe units, yes. Functions, air fry, bake, roast, rotisserie, reheat, dehydrate, rotate, custom. Advanced features, dual zone technology. Number 2. Ninja DZ201 Foodi Air Fryer. Features. Capacity, 4-quart cooking baskets for 8-quart capacity. Accessories, 2 non-stick baskets, rapid heaters, cyclonic fans, dishwasher safe crisper plates. Dishwasher safe units, yes. Functions, air fry, roast, reheat, air broil, dehydrate, and bake. Advanced features, contain up to 75% less fat. Which is the winner in 2022? The Pampered Chef Air Fryer comes with more functions and capacity compared to the Ninja DZ201 Foodi, but overall the Ninja DZ201 Foodi Air Fryer is designed with more advanced features compared to the Pampered Chef Air Fryer. So, if you look for an air fryer at a reasonable price that comes with many advanced features, then I emphatically say the Ninja DZ201 Foodi Air Fryer is the winner. In this video, I have reviewed a comparison between the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer vs Pampered Chef Air Fryer, and finally, the Ninja Foodi wins the race for its overall performance, quality, and reasonable budget. But these two air fryers are really the best air fryers in the market compared to their competitors. So, if you are looking for the best air fryer to buy in 2022, these two models would be the best choices.